Hi there. This is a project that I've just acquired and I'm in the very early stages of the project. Now, one of the first things I like to do with the project is start taking out the things that I know I'm going to be taking out, because this can reveal many hidden things within the property. So I want to know about as many surprises very early on in the project. That way, if I do need to do any value engineering, I've got the opportunity to reduce costs later on in the project. However, if I didn't start stripping out, say, the kitchen from day one, you know, who knows what hides behind them units. So I hope you find this information useful. One of the other things I'm doing as well, whilst I'm stripping out, because I had the question asked from another investor, why am I flat packing the kitchen? The reason's really simple. Skips have become extortionately expensive. So, I want to make it as small as I possibly can so that I'm not paying to get rid of air. And so when it comes to stacking the skips, I am an absolute expert of making sure every void is filled in that skip. I hate paying £300 per skip just to get rid of rubbish, but that's how it is. You have to pay for it these days. So yeah, saving space within the skip is definitely well worth it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back with another video later on in the project so that you can see the progress I'm making.